Hi, my name is Pallav and I'm from the Healthy Minds team. We are making this video to ensure that you have a smooth flow in terms of taking the sessions, reviewing the sessions, and also approaching the certificate. So I hope you liked our session on PTSD on Sunday. So this is a short video. We'll keep it as short as possible. So the first thing which you need to do is go on your browser, and my browser is open here. I'll go on healthyminds.nourish.com. So this is the page I get. So page is, it basically shows PTSD. It shows our other courses which are there, like psychoanalysis, and 4 courses under psychoanalysis, and some of the testimonials. I'll quickly, so there is no login here. Suppose I log out and start again from here. And I want to do PTSD. I want to take the assignment on PTSD based on the webinar. So I'll click on this, and it says Sunday webinar series by Healthy Mind, start now. I click on this. This is the page I get for the sign up. So here I'll log in with my friend's email. Just I'll give a password and I'll click on submit. And I'll click on save password. So it directly takes me to the PTSD session. So since this is a free session, you'll get $0. I'll click on continue here. As I click on it, it shows the payment was successful. And now I have access to the complete module. So I can click here. I can see what are the modules inside this. So we have split the session into 2 parts. You can see the section 1 and section 2. If I want to play the section 1, part 1, I'll just click on this and it starts playing. So this is the complete session which will be there. And if I want to go to the session, I can again go here. And once I'm done with the sessions, and there will be a tick which will come here based on my completion, I can go to final assessment. If I click on final assessment, this is what I'll get. So this is a 30 duration assessment, and I have 25 attempts. There will be 10 questions, total 20 marks. The pass marks are 50%. And I'll click on start assessment. So this is how the basic assessment screen looks. You have the timeline, how much time is left. For every question, there could be either 4 or 2 options, and only one of the option will be correct. The marks for the relevant question are clearly marked here as to what is the weightage for that. So, I mean, you can come till this step, complete the complete assessment and click on submit now. So I request you to complete till here, and then I'll continue with the session. So this is the final assessment page. I can see in the guide the questions which I have answered. So all the questions which I have answered have been highlighted here. So this shows that all questions have been answered. If I quickly go here and click on this menu, I can see the duration. Total is 30 minutes and 24 minutes, 11 seconds are left. Attempts, this one attempt is done. I have total 10 questions, total 20 marks, and the pass marks are 10 marks. That means 50%. So I have filled all the answers here, and I'll quickly go down. This is, I click on submit now. And once I do that, I get my marks. So it says I have passed. So I have passed this exam. Post this, I'll go here and I will click on the final assessment part. So once my assessment is done, I can see my marks here. I can see all my assessment. If I want, I can again give the assessment by clicking on start assessment. But for now, I'll just hold on to this. I have to go to my profile and go to the dashboard. in the dashboard, I have to click on my contents, the course. I'll click on continue. And here, the content, chat, and certification. I have to click on the certification and click on download certificate. As I download the certificate, I'll get it here, and I can download it by clicking here. Yeah, I'll allow the download, and it's being saved on my system. So that's it from our side. I hope you like the session and you'll get the certificate. Thanks a lot. Keep continuing. We have a lot of new courses coming up, so you can look at some other courses also. Thanks a lot. Thank you, guys.